Here's a great video that can truly save you hundreds of dollars if you do this yourself and follow the instructions step by step. I promise this is not hard to do and you can definitely save some money.
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we are going to replace a bad sump pump with a new Zoller M53. Real simple, straightforward. Homeowner can do this themselves. Take you about 15-20 minutes at the most. Let's take a look. Let's go in the crawl space. This crawl space has a lot of room, nice lighting, and over there is a sump pump. We're going to replace that pump.
Start by cutting the discharge line. Just need a good hacksaw. Next, go ahead and remove the pump. Just pull it out of the pit. Now it's time to plumb the sump pump. Remember, we start with the 1.5 inch threaded male adapter that screws into the pump. Next, we install an 1.5 inch PVC riser. This is so the water can be lifted up and carried away. We'll also add a check valve to prevent backflow.
Kind of want to show you why I like Zollers versus all these other store-bought pumps. In other words, this came from Home Depot or Lowe's, and you can see it has a float that swings up and it kicks it on and off. This float tends to get stuck on the side of your sump basin, and it'll usually get stuck in the on position and it just burns out your pump. The other option, of course, would be, or other thing that would happen would be that it gets stuck in the down position and it doesn't turn on the pump. The Zoller uses a single pole. It floats straight up and down. You can hear it clicking on and off. What a great design. Also has a safety bar that just protects this float and the switch. If you're going to put a pump in, put a good one in. So now we're going to go ahead and glue up the pump. Put some on the fitting itself, put some on the riser as well. Push this down into the sump pit, into your pump. Push and hold it. You got to hold it for just a second. There we go. Just hold it tight. That's good. Now we're ready to put the glue on for the 90. This is the tricky part because you have to be able to line that up. Once that fitting goes on there, it's going to be glued. Make sure you get a good amount of glue on there. PVC cement works really good, and it also sets up really quick. Well, a lot of glue in there. There we go. Try to line it up so that you're right facing the pipe. Push and hold it. Push down and hold it. There we go. Good. Now we're ready to put our little extension in there. One more thing to glue. We're just going to glue up our final piece to stick it in, stick and hold it. I usually try to twist the fitting so that I know that the glue has coated it. Now we're ready to put our no-hub on there. Then you slide your no-hub on one side and you slide the other side on. It'll be a tight fit, but it'll go. There we go. Real good. Now we just tighten up those clamps. These are 5/16 inch stainless steel clamps. Make sure that you use your handy dandy drill. So now we've got it all installed, the lid put back, condensation lines coming into it, and that pump is on, plugged in to a good GFI switch, and it's ready to go.
Do you still need more help? We have offices in Charlotte and Orlando, coming soon to Michigan. And if you still need more help, try our live help. We can answer any question, help with project planning, and much more.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.